Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. Thank goodness it's Friday. It's that day that we love. uh, yeah, especially if you're a real estate agent and you have to work Saturday and Sunday, or at least Saturdays. But anyway, it's all good. Homes are still flying off the shelf. We're doing 123 a day now. We were way down at, I think we were in just the low hundreds in the beginning of the month, and now it's shot up. So gives us 20 days of inventory, but we listed 145 homes yesterday. So that's the good news. Yes, we love the good news. $1 million homes, 4 a day, getting to where we were last year within a quarter of a point. So I'm sure that's going to end up, maybe we'll sell more than 4 a day. You never know anymore. With the shifting market a little bit. Investors still hanging in there, still taking advantage of the increased cash flow because of the increased rents. And